Hey friends, it's Vicky. Welcome back. In today's video, I am getting crafty and getting my holiday spirit on because it's that time of the year where my whole house starts looking like an elf's house and I'm crafting away through mad hours of the night, decorating, making presents, and all sorts of things. So today I am gonna be showing you guys how I make a advent calendar for myself, DIYing it. You know, we all love advent calendars. You can go to the store and buy yourself one with chocolates. They have some beauty ones nowadays, some with socks, all different types of advent calendars. But you can also make one for yourself and get super creative and crafty and customize it with things that you know you will absolutely love. And this video is actually a collaboration and was the idea of my lovely friend Tarah, aka Old Fashioned AF, on here on YouTube. So she reached out to me and she was like, hey, I have this idea about making advent calendars for the holiday and, you know, putting it together, showing folks how we made ours. But this is more than just any old collaboration. In the spirit of Christmas and the holiday season and giving, we also thought about making this into a little bit of a fundraiser, or not a little bit actually, a fundraiser with the Make-A-Wish Foundation, which I will talk to you guys about a little bit at the end of the video. So let me show you first how I put together my advent calendar, then I'll talk you guys through the different things that I put in for every day, day 1 through 24, and then we'll talk a little bit more about the fundraiser, which is super exciting. Okay, so for the advent calendar, it's actually really easy to make. There's many different ways that you can make them. Tara's gonna be making her own and I'll link her channel and video down below. I don't know how she's making hers, so definitely go check it out. I'm super interested in seeing what that turns out like for her. But I went down the garland slash burlap bag hanging the words. I went down the path of a garland, kind of sort of like in stocking style. I was looking for a few ideas on Pinterest and I found that, and I decided to DIY a lot of it. So I found some burlap bags on Amazon. They were really cheap. I got like 25 or 30 of them for under $10, which was really good deal. And then I found some twine at the Dollar Tree, as well as some different decorations. I got everything from holly and flowers to different types of bows, ribbon, some little like decorations. Obviously most advent calendars go from day 1 to 24, so you need numbers. So I could have bought some tags 1 through 24 online, but I decided to make my own. I had extra brown cardstock hanging around, so what I did was that I took some cardstock paper and I cut it out into little tiny squares, which I then went on and drew days 1 through 24 with a pen on each. Big old disclaimer that my penmanship is not the best. I am not a very neat writer. I don't have the prettiest writing, but I tried my best, and with the decorations and whatnot, you know, try to make it look as cute as possible. I went ahead and after I cut these little pieces of cardstock paper, I drew or wrote days 1 through 24 on each one of them, and then I decorated them with my different decorations from the dollar store. Hot glued them on, and then once I had those labels ready, I then glued them on to each bag. And I kind of just did a variation of decorations, no real like specific theme for my garland. It was just like kind of all Christmassy and blah, like all over the place. Different ribbons, different colors, very rustic feeling, you know. Oh yeah, and to hold the burlap bags onto your garland, you are going to need some clothespins as well. And that's it for the actual bags and your garland in terms of like having your advent calendar. Now for what I put inside, let me show you. This is the fun part, obviously. So the really cool thing about making your own advent calendar, like I said, is that you can customize it with things that you know you're gonna like. So it may not be exactly a surprise. I mean, unless like you forget what you bought and you're like, oh my God, I forgot I got this for myself. I mean, I'm like that, I forget things. So what did I put in my advent calendar for day 1? A very ugly yet cute Christmas pin or brooch. This one was actually gifted to me by my grandma, so it has that special meaning. She just recently gave it to me. She's had it hanging around for a while. It's very old, kind of like vintagey looking, which is great for me. Very old, so I'm just gonna stuff that in for day 1 so that I could open it and wear it throughout December. It's actually supposed to light up, but it doesn't work, so I might have to fix that, but it's okay. But yeah, the fact that my grandma gave this one to me and I could re-gift it to myself in my advent calendar just makes it so much more special. For day 2, we've got nail polish. You're gonna see a lot of beauty items in this one because why not? They're just small, cute, easy items to fit into your advent calendar. And I've always wanted a beauty advent calendar, but I've never bought one because they're like really expensive. So I put this thing together for really cheap. And actually the one thing that Tara and I told each other was that each item would be no more than $5. I honestly didn't spend more than probably like $3 per item. Most of these items are like $1. Yeah, $1, no more than $1, maybe $2. But we did say that we would allow ourselves for one item to be above the budget. It could be any price you want. And I'm gifting myself that one on day 24. But anyways, moving on to day 3. Where's day 3? Here's day 3. For day 3, I decided to do chapsticks because we all need chapsticks this time of the year. Our lips get really dry and chapped and gross. So I'm doing chapsticks. I found these for $2.99 on Amazon. And they are not just any chapsticks, they're the s'mores collection. So they have a chocolate flavor, marshmallow flavor, and graham cracker flavor. I am a sucker for flavored chapsticks, so I'm so pumped about these, and I love s'mores. They're my favorite, and it's like on holiday theme, you know, s'mores, Christmas time. Yeah. The next item is a candle from Dollar Tree, which is pine scented. Yum, 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 yum. This one actually does not fit in the bag. It's a little too big and heavy to hang in there. But you know what the wonderful thing about making your own advent calendar is that you can make up the rules and do whatever you want. So I have a few items that are a little too big for these bags, and I'll show you those in a bit. But for the candle and these items, what I ended up doing was writing a little card out of that cardstock paper. I wrote out on the card what the item is. So for this one, candle, and I'm sticking that into the bag, and then I'm saving this in a drawer. And when I get to that day and I find the card, I'm like, oh cool, I can go pull this out from the drawer now and start using it and treat myself to it. You know, lovely thing about making your own calendar, you make up the rules. The next item does fit into the Garland advent calendar, and that is a Christmas decoration, Christmas tree decoration. I have this little gnome ornament that I picked up at Dollar Tree. How cute. Look at this ornament. Ooh, I love them so much. I've been getting into gnomes a lot more lately because of my mom and my lovely friend Ruby. She's at Ruby's Musings. She's on here on Instagram and she loves gnomes. Just giving her a shout out. Hi Ruby. So I got a gnome ornament. And then the next thing is these like Frosty the Snowman. I mean, they're just regular snowman or snowman earrings that I thrifted. These clip-on earrings. Very cute and great to wear this time of the year because snowman's, hello, Christmas time. So yeah, something cute and thrifted. Not everything has to be brand new. As you can see, my first item is gifted, some stuff's thrifted. Just make it up. For those were day 1 through 6. For day 7, I have a chocolate bar from Trader Joe's. This is one of their new dark chocolate salted caramel bar thin. It comes in a pack of 3. I've already tried the other ones and my God, they are amazing. Favorite new chocolate from them. So yeah, I got this one there and it is amazing and I can't wait to open it on day 7. Day 8 is a hand cream, an almond or shea almond nourishing hand cream that is travel size. That is really good as well because dry hands, just like chapped lips, you get chapped or dry hands. Day 9, again, making up my own rules because why not? I made a card for this one as well. Hot Cheetos, or not just any hot Cheetos, hot Cheeto fries, flaming hot fries. This is also gonna go in the drawer. I made a card. I'm sticking it into the advent calendar for day 9. And I can't wait to eat these. These are one of my favorite snacks. Grew up eating hot Cheetos, so yeah, make it up. I'm telling you, get creative. Do what you want, tweet yourself. And then for day 10, I did a card for donate. Day 10 is donation day, giving back. And like I said, so I'm gonna be donating on day 10 to the Make-A-Wish Foundation. And like I said, I'll talk to you guys about that in a little bit to let you guys know how you can donate to in the fundraiser that we're doing. Day 11 is socks. I love socks, got all the types of socks. So these are Christmas socks that are black. They're from the ginger tree, what? They're from the Dollar Tree, and they're gingerbread socks that have a gingerbread house, gingerbread tree, bow, gingerbread reindeer, candy cane, cookies, everything on there. Very festive and cute. Day 12 is hot cocoa. This is one of my favorite hot cocos from Trader Joe's. It's a hot cocoa mix. Just add water. I add milk. Day 13 is another beauty or beauty care item. It is this pocket-sized, purse-sized hydrating face mist. You know, like those refreshing face mists that you do if you're having a long day and you feel hot and icky. You just spray this on. This one is cucumber flavored. I don't know if flavor is the right word, but it's cucumber. And you spray it on your face, and that's gonna go on my bag. That's for day 13. For day 14, I have an e.l.f. blush and bronzer kit. I got this one at the 99-cent store for 99 cents. You can find really good things at the 99 cents and at the Dollar Tree. So yeah. And then day 15, again, we have some more nail polish. The other one was a dark green. This one is clear with gold glitter, also very festive-y. Day 16, again with the food, I have a mini tahine bottle. So if you don't know what tahine is, it is this chili lime salt powder from Mexico that us Mexicans and a lot of non-Mexicans love too. It goes amazing on fruit, but also on like popcorn or like honestly anything you want. So I have a big old bottle in my pantry over there, but then also this mini sized one that I found at Dollar Tree, which is great for traveling or putting in your purse or whatever, you know, in case of emergencies and you need something spicy. You have that there. Day 17 is tea. This time of the year can be very stressful. We're running around, so treat yourself to some tea. I have some bedtime yogi tea. This is one of my favorites. It tastes so yummy. It has like lavender and I don't know what else in there. Day 18 is a Wet and Wild blush. I got this one for like $3 on Amazon. Amazon is really good for budget makeup, like drugstore makeup. You can actually find it for cheaper on Amazon, and if you have Prime, you get free shipping. So I got this one on there for very inexpensive. I like this one. It's like a natural blush. Looks very skin toned. Day 19 is a hairband. It's this red sparkly hairband from Dollar Tree. It's by the brand Skoonchi. I think that's how you pronounce it. Skoonchi. I can never say it. This brand, but it's been around forever. So it's a cute, glittery, sparkly red headband, which looks very festive. Day 20 is another ornament. Day 20, I got this ornament set from Dollar Tree as well, which is this very adorable looking Christmas house. It's red with the glitter gold roof and Christmas trees all over and snow. The detail on this is so cute. I couldn't leave it behind. It gives me very like vintagey, cute vibes. Day 21 is oil. So also from Dollar Tree. I'm telling you, most of the things were from the dollar store. It's a peppermint roll-on. So, you know, you can just roll these on, have it by like the side of your bed or in your bag. And if you're feeling stressed, you can just sniff it away with the peppermint oil. Aromatherapy. Day 21 is e.l.f. eyeshadow. Found these at the Dollar Tree. I love these. I actually have been using this like color and stuff throughout the years, so I always love replacing it. And so yeah, this is my replacement. It's day 21 e.l.f. with the browns and the nude colors in there. Day 23 is hair ties. Hair ties, again, from my favorite brands that I cannot pronounce. I know I can probably Google it, but I'm too lazy. So they have these right now at the dollar store or Dollar Tree, and they're holiday themed. So they have the cute holiday packaging and then the different colors, white, green, red, and some multicolored ones on there. I always need hair bands or hair ties because they get lost. And if you have a lot of hair like me, these very much come in handy all the time. And then for the last item, so this was the item that had no budget, and I got myself a Besame Cosmetics lipstick. Not that expensive, but obviously above the $5 and under budget. So this one was like $20, I think I found it on Amazon. So I got myself a Besame lipstick. What color did I get? I got myself the Tango Red, which is like a bright orangey red. Very pretty. I can't wait to wear this and open it on Christmas Eve. And yeah, that's it for the items. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I made the Christmas or advent calendar and all the things that are gonna go inside of it. So yeah, go check out Tarah's channel and video. She is actually gonna also be doing Vlogmas like every day until Christmas. So that's gonna be really fun. I can't wait to see that. Go check her out, subscribe. Let us know what you think of our advent calendars, how you liked hers or mine. Make sure you go subscribe to her. She is amazing. Tarah does all types of things. So she's a really crafty gal. So you'll find that on her channel. She loves history, obviously vintage style. She's really into that and she's just awesome and really funny. So go check her out, subscribe, and then let's see, what else am I leaving out? Ah, yes, for the fundraiser. So yeah, we decided to start a fundraiser page for the Make-A-Wish Foundation, and we're kind of making it into a little bit of a challenge, like to see who can meet the goal first. Hopefully we both meet our goal. So we're doing a team page on there. So I'm gonna be raising a certain amount and she's gonna be raising another amount. And we're encouraging our followers to go donate because yeah, I mean, I know it's been a really hard year. A lot of us are struggling right now, but if you can and you find it in your heart and in your wallet that you can give even just a little bit, I don't know, like $1 or something, that would be awesome. So we're gonna be donating ourselves and we're hoping that we can encourage others to donate as well. So I'm gonna link that down below so that you can check it out and probably on here too. Victoria, insert now, please. This is our fundraiser page, but I'll do the link so you can click down below as well. So hopefully we can fund some kids and help make their wishes come true during this holiday season. So yeah, go check out Tarah's channel, her video. If you can as well, donate to the Make-A-Wish Foundation. If you have not already, go make yourself an advent calendar, DIY it. It's not too late. We're just at the beginning, so it's not too late to go run and buy a few of these things at the dollar store. As you can see, they're all really easy to find, or order something really quick on Amazon for yourself so you can open it. Be surprised. It's been a rough year. Treat yourself to something nice. Make your life a little bit more cheerful with an advent calendar. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And yeah, as always, sending you a really, really big virtual hug. Happy holidays. Remember that I love you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.